My name is Sharon Addison, and I would like to welcome you to Torpedo. What we have is a new technical way of gardening that is easy, is convenient, and is hands-free. You pretty much set your seeds up into your pot, whether you get one with a torpedo or just a regular curved series, just with the base here. You have hands-free gardening for the entire season. And the way this works, and that's why I'm creating this video, because I wanted to bring this to you so you know how to set up your torpedo pot immediately. What you need is some dirt, which is what I have in here. And you pretty much fill the base of this up, and you fill the torpedo pot up with your dirt. And you pack it in, and you make sure it gets all packed in. Sometimes you have to go in and push the dirt down, make sure it's going down in the tube. And once you get it all filled, you're ready to start. And you fill this up. And once you're finished filling it up, you're ready to plant. So what you do is like what we have here, is you're putting your little baby plants in each of the holes. And the holes are designed to be so many inches apart so you can get the most effective use of your torpedo. Once it's set up properly and you have the tube, you want to make sure this white piece at the top of this tube, come closer please, the top of this tube is showing, so that it's not, you know that it's not curved back on itself. You want this top piece to be up, pointed up, and that way you'll know the watering that's coming through the tube is by gravity filtering down to the base of the tube. And in the pot also, I wanted to show you, if you come closer a little bit, I wanted to show you this watering system so you know where the watering is coming from in the pot. And if you look here, you'll see this ring. I don't know if you can see it so much here, but this is a watering ring right here, and it goes all the way around the pot, and that's where you're going to get your water. And the water comes through the ring, and again through gravity it's sucked down to the base of the pot, and your pot has holes and it will drain properly for you. Once you have all of your plants set up in here, you dial in your water, but first you connect it to your watering system, which in this case is to our line that goes to several other pots that trickles all the way back to the hose coming out of the house. So you take your watering line and you connect it to the back, and you make sure this is tightened, because that's another water outlet that you don't want if you're using this water system, this watering system with the black tubing. So once that tubing is connected, then you dial in the water. This one is for the top, and you turn it counterclockwise to water. Turn it counterclockwise to water. This is watering the torpedo, the actual column. And this one is watering the base. And you turn it counterclockwise to increase the water. So in my case, I'm just going to turn it maybe 2 turns counterclockwise. The same thing here. 2 turns counterclockwise. And usually that's sufficient. And I don't come back to this pot. Get this. I do not weed. I do not aerate. I do not add anything else to this pot. I come back in September or October when I'm ready for my harvest. I'm ready for my fruit. I'm ready for my vegetable. That's it. Each pot can grow up to $600 worth of produce, all at your front door, at your back door, and it's just that simple. You can have as many of these hooked up in series around your property, at your site, at your restaurant, at your school, wherever you have a need for fresh organic produce grown how you want it to grow. So we welcome you, we invite you to our world of Torpedo Pot, and we wish many, many good years of organic gardening. We also have herbs over here that I'll show you in. These are several different herbs. This here is parsley, curly parsley, and cabbage is in the base. This is fennel with cabbage in the base. This is mint. Take a bite of this. I love mint. That's mint. This here is, I forget what this is. Let's see what it is. Chamomile? Okay. It's chamomile this year. Trying something new. It's chamomile. This here, this is strawberry. This looks like strawberries. It is strawberries. What do you know? I guess I know my plants. I know my leaves. Strawberries. This is more cabbage. And this here, this looks new too. This is strawberry again. This is strawberry. And down here is bok choy. This is my bok choy. So I'm going to stop here and do another video, and please log on to part 2, because I'm going to have series of the torpedo pots running throughout the season. So I'll let you know what's going on at the home of Torpedo Pot, what we have going on new, what things we've added, what things we're improving, and to keep you up to date so that you can have success with your torpedo pot at your place of business.